it has to be stopped for you to go in and do the programming here, otherwise it won't let you do it. You hold the set key and the reset key for 3 seconds. You go into the engineering mode. You want to go into F01. Hit the set key. That's our first set point, SV1, set variable 1, which is going to be our first set point we ramp up to. We've set it to 500. We can make it 800. Enter. Oh, sorry, enter. The second set point, you may not even need. So we went up to 800. Maybe you're gonna hold it at 800 for X number of hours. Maybe you just want to cool. If you wanted just to come right back down to 100 as our end target, we would hit enter. Set point 3, we wouldn't need then, because we're only going to 100 anyway, so I'll just put this back down, enter, and enter. What this does is it is telling us what set point that we want to select. Do we want to select set point 1 or set point 2? And I just want to make sure. Enter. We go into this guy, which is F02. This is our time, our soak times. So we've said we're going to go set point 1, soak is 10 minutes. Set point 2 is 12 minutes. So it's going to go up, stay at 800, I think we set it, for 10 minutes. And then when it comes back down to 100, it's going to soak there for 12 minutes and then it's going to end. The other ones, because we set them at 100, it doesn't really, it's not going to do anything. And what we're telling it to do is we want it to go all the way through all 4 of the set points. Well, really, we don't need that on this because we're just going up to 800, we're soaking, and then we're cooling. So really, we're only going to 2. So we'll go to 2 and enter it. This is repeats. We don't want it to repeat this program again, so it's 0. If I put in 1 there, then it would go up to the 800, the soak, cool, stay at the 100 for the 5 minutes, and then it would repeat that cycle again. We don't want it to repeat. F03 is just the rate of heating up, which is 30 degrees F per minute. And then this is the ramp rate or cooling rate coming down. So this is the cooling rate for decreasing temperature, and it's 30 degrees F. And that's everything. I come back out, hold those 2 keys, you're back out. Now I would just, I don't know, I would power this off. I would power this off just to reset it, I think. Right, so now we should hit run, hold that for 3 seconds, and it'll run. It's in set variable 2. So right now it's actually cooling, it's in the, so reset. Just checking to see, so you can change the on the go. We made set point to 100, but I went in there just now and I changed it to 400. So you can change it. Yeah. I'm just not sure